Bro, what's up?
Fine.
Yeah,
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm pretty fine.
You have just taken 2 hours and you're finished training, installation of a new JiPOS. What's the secret?
The secret is very simple.
Ah,
The system is easy.
system is easy.
Easy to use.
This is Mulot in Bomet County. It's another day for JiPOS installation. And yes, we are here. This is a building. It's called Mega Hardware Store. So JiPOS is ongoing, training is ongoing, and yeah, we are proud. We are serving Kenya throughout, from Eldoret, Vihiga, Mombasa, Migori, everywhere. Yeah, after every JiPOS installation, we have to take pictures, and of course it feels so fulfilling to activate one business at a time, enabling businesses to run things efficiently. It's inspiring, but at the same time it's motivating, and you see businesses streamline their operations right from the start. It is something worthwhile. It's something to spend the rest of the time or the rest of work days doing. Yeah, so far so good, and we are on to the next one, and this next one could be yours. Feel most welcome.
I came here from around 10, and it's let me say 1:15.
Okay.
They're done.
Yes.
They've closed. They've gone.
Yes.
They're also just leaving to Nairobi.
Okay. Very fantastic.
And this is Mega Hardware Store
In Mulot.
in Mulot.
How was the experience with the client and the
A
trainers?
nice, good client, ready to learn. Yeah, we love clients who are ready to learn and eager to learn. At least new software, new technologies, what someone has in place. Yeah, so that's a good plan so far.
Yeah.
They've learned how it works and how they can use it to improve their business in terms of managing sales and stock. This and hardware. That's the most important thing for them.
Yeah, I saw.
They manage their sales and their stock, and of course now expenses to realize profit by the end of the day.
That's true.
Yeah.
I saw she was talking about streamlining the things, or streamlining operations right from the start. Actually, they're just starting, right?
Correct.
And they want to implement the system to start with from how do I call it, with immediate effect.
Right.
Yeah, so anything on that? Is that something that every business can adopt, or you can even implement the system?
All the business should adopt that. Remember, system is a garbage in, garbage out. Yeah. Right? So if you insert the right data from the onset, you will not have a lot of issues. But then if everything is you're starting on a wrong note on data entry stuff, you don't know your stock value and stock balances, opening stock and things like that, you don't know the right items, right categorization, it will in turn lead to a lot of work moving forward.
Yeah.
So you have it right from day one, you'll have it right always, and if in case something doesn't go right, it will be easy to fix.
You have it right on day one, you have it right always.
Always.
I like that.
Yeah.
So what's next?
So yeah, headed to Nairobi this way.
Okay.
This is to Mulot town, to Bomet.
This is Nairobi.
Yeah.
Okay. And to this side,
Bomet.
to Bomet.
Sotik.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think then that's it. I don't think there is anything else. What do we expect? Tell you guys to subscribe.
Subscribe, and we meet you in Nairobi soon.
Okay.
By evening.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think that's fine. The next business could be.
Our next business is in Nairobi City. And the next one will be in Meru. So we see you in Meru, and we see you in Mai. That is in this area.
Homa sana.
Yeah.
All right then. Let's go.
Keep it JiPOS.